Today I'm going to show you how to film on a budget. And this was the old way that I used to do it. A giant stack of books, which you may recognize from some of my Instagram posts or book review videos, and a handy dandy selfie stick, which is not the best way, but it works in a pinch when you really don't have a budget. So now, as you can see, the phone is a little wobbly, so you kind of have to maneuver it so it kind of stays stable. And then my favorite thing was using an even bigger book to kind of stabilize it and then kind of hope for the best. The bad thing about this whole system with using a selfie stick is that it's very, very unstable. So if you want to make videos, it will work, but sometimes you get this whole issue. So what do? You get a tripod. Hello, tripod. Overhead Pro has this excellent tripod that comes with an overhead arm. As you can see, that's where the name comes from. So you have this plus this tripod where each leg has 3 of these snaps so that you can extend the leg for as much as you want. I generally don't extend it farther than this because, well, I don't really need it for an overhead shot of drawing, especially since I do more like book reviews. I need to be closer up, but if you want something really high up, this really works. I think it's great that it comes with this little knob here that you can just quickly remove this part from here, and then it comes in a nice handy little storage case. So it's really great that the Overhead Pro comes with 2 bags, and I've shown you here how the legs extend on 3 different ends. This is actually not the longest, this is just sort of like an example. And if you look inside here, I put all these little baggies in here. It came originally with the bag. And you have a level plus a couple of tools. The storage bag snugly fits the tripod perfectly in here. And I have attached the iPhone holder on this one, so it doesn't fit in the bag anymore, but it did fit when it came originally. And yeah, it's pretty great. Like, you can set this up in under 5 minutes and get to filming. To get your video to another level, you might want to use a nice white piece of cardstock or poster board. This is your pretty normal poster board. It doesn't have to be very thick, it just needs to be a plain color. White is really nice for reflecting light. As you can see, if you angle it in such a way, you can bounce the light from the window, which is coming in this way, to make things a little less shadowed. You might want to get a little fancy and try using colored backdrops, like different colored poster board. You can even do your own custom work. I bought this 4-pack of canvases at Michael's and then just painted them with simple acrylic paint. I believe that I put 2 or 3 acrylic layers on these, and now I have a variety of colors that are in my brand colors. So it's really nice that I can use these on anything for photos or videos. Natural light is definitely your best source. So I recommend just kind of playing around with the lighting in your apartment or house or wherever you are. I have made this work currently in the house, but I've also made this work in the small apartment in Brooklyn in New York City, where I had a very, very small window of time and actual physical window. So the space and time were very constrained. I definitely recommend just kind of exploring the light sources in your house and just seeing if even if you can get a streak of light for 30 minutes a day, and then just getting really good at filming and taking photos during that small sliver of time. And look how smoothly the tripod moves, that you can do a nice little pan action. You can do a nice overhead shot of your books or drawings, paintings, craft projects, whatever you'd like. Everything is nice and stable, and you won't worry that things are gonna fall over, which is really great. And you can obviously do stop animation if you'd like, or take photos, timed photos, which would be awesome. It's oh look, I am drawing, but now I can actually do it without needing a third hand. So yeah, this is pretty great. I'm so excited, and thank you for Overhead thank you to Overhead Pro for gifting me this tripod and arm combo, because this is like the best thing that has happened to this YouTube channel. I feel like now I will be ready to make lots of fun videos for you guys, and the setup is so much easier and such like not a hassle at all anymore. So I am looking forward to making lots of more videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've found this helpful, if you are looking to do your own like little filming on a budget setup. And just so you know, the Overhead Pro kit is under $200. It's on their website, and if you use the code CRAFTIC, you get a 5% discount. You can also get it from the Amazon shop down below if you'd like. Either way, it's an affiliate link. And that's everything for today. I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye.